So if your disc header is branding the disc brake, so first we will show you how to adjust it. First, you need to find these two tubes. This is grand and this is 5 mm. Okay, so and first step, we need to use these tools to loose this screen. Turn right to loose this screen, and to make sure the disc header do not grab the disc brake. So if the first step cannot sever your issues, so please use these two screens here. First one and the second one. And to adjust the disc pedal, to make sure the disc pedal is in the middle of the disc brake. Okay, to make sure this disc pedal in middle the disc brake, and then we can tighten up the screen. Turning the front wheels and to loose to make sure the disc pedal is not grab the disc brake. And so if the second step cannot solve those issues, you can follow our steps here. This is third step by step. So find this thread. Find this mounting stand, and use the mounting stand to adjust the disc brake. Okay, so there are 3 steps. If you cannot solve the problem, so can contact our after sales service. Okay.